How I clean my shredded collard greens. It's time to clean the greens, baby. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using your sink, hopefully is not as old as mine, you're going to put your shredded collard greens or fresh whole collard greens into your sink. Fill your sink with cold or cool water. Then begin to check your collard greens for any dirt, rocks, or any bugs that may attach themselves to the collard greens. Also check for any leaves that may be black or yellow or discolored and discard them. Your collard greens need to be completely covered with the cold water. Then add your baking soda. Mix the baking soda thoroughly into the water and the collard greens. I normally use between 1/4 cup and 1/2 cup of baking soda, depending upon the amount of collard greens I need to clean. Once you've added all of your baking soda, make sure to mix the baking soda and the water thoroughly into the collard greens. Now you are going to go old school and get hands-on and scrub these collard greens until they are squeaky clean. You are also going to change your sink water at least 2 to 3 times to ensure that there is no more baking soda on your collard greens. For your final rinse, using cold or cool water, squeeze out all of the water that's on your collard greens and place your clean collard greens into a bowl. And here you have it, my freshly cleaned, shredded collard greens, cleaned with baking soda and cold water. You can definitely omit the baking soda and just clean your collard greens by scrubbing them until they are squeaky clean. Just remember to change your sink water several times. Whether you use the baking soda or not, if you follow my scrubbing and rinsing method, your collard greens will come out fresh looking, vibrant, and clean. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to check out MARQ, the Infinite Music Producer. Body mobbing is the vibe for this video. Interested in body mobbing and more? Check out MARQ the Infinite through his Gmail and SoundCloud. And you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Until next time. Bye, guys.